Have you ever seriously noticed that after achieving a major professional success, sustaining that exact level of high energy and good fortune feels much harder and far more challenging than the initial tough climb to the top? Why do some high-performing individuals appear to magically maintain a stable flow of prosperity, as if they possess an internal vibrational magnet that constantly attracts pure abundance effortlessly right there in their demanding workplace? Today, we are going to completely demystify the essential secret of top professionals who successfully maintain vibrational abundance through the calculated, strategic practice of super small, highly effective routines called micro-habits. I will specifically show you 3 simple micro-habits scientifically backed by positive psychology to ensure your personal energy of optimism and professional abundance never completely fades under intense job pressure. Are you absolutely ready to transform tiny daily actions into the solid foundation for consistent, sustainable financial prosperity and reliable career growth? Many highly ambitious business owners and successful employees face a dangerous internal conflict. They successfully reach the peak through sheer hard work and intense hustle, but then their precious mental energy quickly depletes. Burnout. And they become severely vulnerable to corrosive pessimism that seriously undermines their efforts. They incorrectly assume that achieving one single great accomplishment will automatically guarantee a sustainable positive mindset, yet without deliberate, regular mental recharging, that initial powerful vibration of success will drastically diminish and crash over time. This detrimental mental condition causes them to rapidly lose focus, making them prone to regrettable, impulsive decisions that harm the company, and consequently losing the momentum of wealth they had so painstakingly built up in the first place. Isn't it incredibly painful when you successfully attract immense wealth, but then you yourself subconsciously manage to push it away again with the negative energy you unknowingly create? Let us conceptually equate vibrational abundance with possessing a consistently high level of psychological capital, PSYCAP, which is the scientifically measurable combination of hope, self-efficacy, optimism, and high resilience, all working together harmoniously. Positive psychology research convincingly proves that maintaining high PSYCAP significantly and positively correlates with consistent, innovative behavior and exceptional overall business performance in any competitive sector. The critical challenge is that this valuable psychological capital must be consciously and consistently replenished every single day, and this is precisely where the crucial, strategic role of repetitive micro-habits becomes absolutely vital and indispensable. Micro-habits are highly intentional, small and planned actions that successfully act as powerful mental generators, effectively ensuring your personal vibration of abundance always remains at an optimal and perfectly stable high level throughout the entire workday. The first fundamental micro-habit in successfully maintaining powerful vibrational abundance is mastering the highly effective The 3 Good Things exercise, which is a powerful gratitude practice heavily supported by scientific research to firmly lock in your daily optimism neurologically. Just before you finally leave your desk at the end of the workday, dedicate exactly 2 focused minutes to meticulously writing down 3 positive events that concretely occurred that day, regardless of how small the initial achievement might seem to you. This deceptively simple yet profoundly powerful action effectively retrains your brain to deliberately search for and focus only on positive outcomes and opportunities, neurologically fighting the brain's natural, ancient tendency to only remember failures or stress. By intentionally ending your workday with a genuine feeling of deep gratitude, you automatically attract positive, receptive energy for the challenges and opportunities of the coming day ahead. Open loop. There is one essential micro-habit you can quickly perform in the office restroom that instantly relieves stress before a critical meeting, which we will deeply discuss in the final segment. This simple, consistent daily gratitude exercise significantly and measurably boosts your powerful self-efficacy, self-belief, because you consistently provide yourself with tangible, concrete proof that you are the active creator of good, desirable outcomes every single day that must be acknowledged. This critical and sustained boost in self-efficacy makes you noticeably more courageous to confidently take on larger and riskier professional challenges, which are often the primary source of substantial orders and significant revenue increases for the business. You begin to perceive complex problems, not as fatal, insurmountable obstacles, but rather as challenging puzzles that can certainly be solved with the current capabilities you possess and continue to develop. This firmly locked-in optimism is the magnetic frequency that successfully attracts constructive collaboration and willing investment from the perfect, high-quality people. The second vital micro-habit is diligently practicing the highly effective 60-second conscious pause, which is the crucial routine for successfully sustaining sharp focus and high mental energy amidst the inevitable chaos of your workday environment. Every 90 minutes of dedicated deep work time, commit to stopping completely for 1 full minute to intentionally stand up, perform some gentle, mindful stretching, and take 5 slow, deliberate deep breaths using your diaphragm calmly and fully to mentally reset. This calculated short break scientifically prevents acute mental burnout by successfully resetting your nervous system, immediately increasing oxygenation to the brain, and rapidly returning you to a productive and highly efficient mental flow state. Consistently maintaining sharp, unwavering focus while working is the most direct and reliable way to ensure every single hour you invest generates maximum financial value and output. This disciplined, conscious pause is exceptionally effective at quickly overcoming the debilitating conflict of stress and mounting mental fatigue, which frequently leads to simple errors in calculations or regrettable, poorly worded emails that can severely damage your professional reputation. By proactively and intentionally managing your mental energy levels throughout the entire day, you successfully avoid the sharp decline in work quality often experienced in the late afternoon, ensuring your final decisions remain rational, sharp, and ultimately profitable for the organization. This powerful micro-habit teaches you a vital truth. True productivity is not solely about the sheer number of hours you relentlessly work, but about intentionally maintaining the absolute highest quality of mental energy during the dedicated hours you are working consciously. Make this simple mental self-care practice your most critical, non-negotiable professional commitment to yourself for sustained high performance. The third essential micro-habit is success mirroring. A focused routine for visual and mental priming designed to rapidly lock in your crucial resilience, which is your indispensable ability to quickly bounce back and recover from unexpected setbacks. Every time you successfully close a major order or successfully finish a challenging project, take exactly 30 seconds to mirror, replicate the specific, proud expression and confident body posture from that exact moment of victory, physically and mentally. This specific physical mirroring neurologically associates the feeling of triumph with a powerful bodily sensation, successfully creating a portable psychological anchor you can instantly deploy when facing a difficult rejection or unexpected challenge in the market. High resilience ensures your vibration of abundance never drastically plummets after encountering an unavoidable, temporary failure. Building strong mental stamina, known as resilience, is the absolute key to successfully maintaining vibrational abundance over a very long period of time, protecting you fiercely from inevitable financial despair and the urge of giving up prematurely. This specific micro-habit ensures you always have a fully charged, positive, emotional bank of mental reserves, which you can quickly access anytime to solve unforeseen problems, keep your optimism fully ignited, and maintain high perseverance against odds. Optimistic individuals are naturally more persistent, actively search for creative solutions, and successfully attract necessary external support, which are all essential elements for achieving sustained, predictable business success. Make every small victory a valuable piece of mental fuel that will successfully carry you through the next inevitable financial storm without losing your core positive spirit or motivation. Closing the open loop. The practical micro-habit you can quickly perform in the office restroom, for instance. Immediate stress relief before a major meeting is the 5X power breath technique, which involves a deep inhale through the nose for 4 counts, holding briefly, and slowly exhaling for 6 counts, repeated 5 focused times. The complete strategic solution for successfully maintaining vibrational abundance involves 1. Perform the 3 good things exercise before leaving work each day. 2. Seamlessly integrate the 60-second conscious pause every 90 minutes of work. And 3. Utilize success mirroring after every small victory achieved. In conclusion, successfully maintaining vibrational abundance is not some vague, abstract spiritual concept without tangible proof, but the highly intelligent and actionable application of psychological capital through small micro-habits performed consistently in the demanding workplace. These specific micro-habits are scientifically proven to effectively control acute stress, dramatically enhance focus, and successfully reprogram your brain to constantly be oriented towards powerful opportunities and effective, viable solutions, rather than dwelling on problems. The true key to a stable flow of prosperity is ensuring your critical mental energy remains consistently high and powerfully positive, because your financial performance will reliably never exceed the current quality of your internal mental well-being. Do not let challenging work demands ruthlessly strip away the powerful vibration of success that you have so painstakingly earned and built up. You now fully possess 3 incredibly practical and powerful micro-habits to consistently maintain your professional energy of abundance, successfully transforming your daily work into a sustainable and massive source of genuine motivation and fulfillment. Start tomorrow immediately with the 60-second conscious pause, right after reading your first crucial email, and diligently perform the 3 good things exercise before leaving your office for the evening. If this unique insight into PSYCAP and micro habits for sustained financial success has truly opened your mind to its potential, please immediately show your enthusiastic support by hitting the like button and subscribing right now so we can continue to share unique psychological tricks to significantly boost your business and personal income. Remember, genuine abundance flows consistently to those who tirelessly nurture their positive internal vibration every single day.